We all know the English months. Okay, we all know the English months, but in Hindi there is a slight difference in the pronunciation of this month. Okay, there is a slight difference in the pronunciation in this month. Now let us see what is the difference between the ordinary English pronunciation and Hindi pronunciation. Okay, now we all know the first month is January, that is January. The pronunciation is, we have to pronounce like this in Hindi. Okay, January, same, there is a no difference, January. But for February, here in English we call it as February. Okay, February, but in Hindi it is called as February. Okay, February. Then March, light difference, March. Then here April, in English we can call as April, but in Hindi that is April. Okay, April month. Okay, then in May, then Mai. Okay, Mai. Then June, E sound, here June, zoo. Okay, June. Okay, once again see, January, here January, then February, here February, then March, April, here April, April, Mai. Okay, Mai. Then June, E sound, here O sound, June. Okay, now let us see the other 6 months. July, here we can say it as July. Okay, July. August, okay, August, but in English we can say it as August month. Okay, August, here August. Then for September, in Hindi we call it as Sitambar. Okay, Sitambar, Sitabara, there is a bindu, so we can call it as Sitambar. Okay, for September we have to pronounce this at Sitambar. Then for October, this is October. Okay, October for October. Then November, same, no light difference, November. Then for December, okay, December we are having December, T. The D sound changes into D sound. Okay, December. Okay, December. Okay, see, once again I am saying, watch it carefully, don't skip. Here January is January. February, okay, February for February. Then here March, okay, March. April, here we are having slight difference, that is April. Then May is Mai. Then June is O sound, here we are having June, E sound, June. Then July, here July. Then August, that is August. Okay, here September is September. Then October is October. D sound changes into ta sound. Okay, ta changes to ta, that is October. Then November. Then for December we are having December. Okay, now I am very clearly known that you all know this month in Hindi.